A very good morning and welcome to this morning podcast. This is Asavri here. Let's take a quick glance at global market. The US stock futures rose in overnight trading on Monday as investors remained focused on reopening of US economy. The Asian stocks in Australia rose on Monday morning trade with major markets in Asia closed for holidays. The Indian shares are expected to open in green on Tuesday following its Asian peers. The trends on SGX Nifty indicate positive opening with a gain of 109 points. Nifty futures were trading around 9367 level on Singaporean exchange. The Indian rupee has finished lower by 61 paisa at 75.71 per dollar due to heavy selling in domestic equity market. The oil prices rose on Monday as more countries announced they would begin to ease the coronavirus lockdown. Now let's take a quick glance at important headlines. The India's factory activity slumps to record low in April. RBI may extend moratorium loan by another 3 months. NBFC seeks RBI nod for one-time restrictions of all loans. And the selling saga continues on institutional level as FIIs and DIIs both sold shares worth rupees 1373 crores and 1661 crores respectively in Indian equity market on May 4th. Lastly, let's take a look at few stock specifics. Marico reported 50.6% fall in net profit in quarter 4 of financial year 20 to rupees 199 crore and revenue declined by 7% year on year. The ICICI Bank will consider raising capital via debt on May 9. Lupin announced a positive top-line result from phase 3 study of single-dose Solosec. The Colgate company has allowed been resume its operation at reduced capacity at all its manufacturing plants. Ashok Leyland has recorded zero production and sales for the month of April due to nationwide lockdown. Manappuram Finance will raise up to 500 crore by issuing rated, secured, redeemable, non-convertible debentures on private placement basis. And lastly, the results that we are expecting today are Adani Ports, SBI Life Insurance, Varun Beverages, NIIT Tech, Prestige System, Tata Coffee, and Rallies India, among others. Thank you. That's all from my side. Have a safe trading and stay safe. Thank you.